Hello, guys. Welcome to Versatile and Viable. One day, you wake up and decided to be healthy and fit. You plan to go to gym at 6 a.m. in the morning, which is slightly sometime after you wake up. You went to the store and bought new workout clothes, shoes to motivate yourself into this new routine. You took gym membership to make yourself more disciplined. Next morning, you wake up and got freshened up and then changed into your brand new workout clothes and headed to the gym. You decided not to take break from gym, consequently 2 days or more than that. So at least you have to work out 3 days per week. In like this, 2 weeks passed by. As you started working out, you realized that your diet plays a major role in the process of becoming fit and strong. So, next time when you went to the store, you bought as healthy food as possible. Unlike earlier, this time your cart had less sugary and processed foods. After a month into this routine, you wanted to take a step forward and meditate for few minutes as it will be calming for your mind and take a run at least 2 or 3 times a week. Next day, right before heading to the gym, you meditated for 5 minutes and then went ahead. Same happened with the running schedule. You decided not to take break for more than 2 days in this case also. While you were running, you have found a group of fitness enthusiasts group and started to share your views and results of your practices with them. Soon enough, you realized working out and eating healthy is not that difficult after all. You got into a routine, to be precise, a series of actions that led you to the path you always wanted to be. You started at some point, and one thing led to the other because these are all related to one another. A workout routine is nothing if you continue with your bad eating habits, so you changed them, and now it's a part of your system. Before heading to the gym, you decided you will meditate for at least 5 minutes to feel calm and more concentrated. After coming from work, you will meet your group of fitness enthusiasts and go for a run in the local park. After a year into this process, you have become something that seemed almost impossible a year ago. These are the things you always wanted to do but couldn't do them because there was no clear plan of when and where you're going to do them. Now that you attached your new habits to the old habits, it's easier to accomplish them. Many human behavior follows this cycle. You often decide what to do next based on what you have just finished doing. Going to the bathroom leads to washing and drying your hands, which reminds you that you need to put the dirty towels in the laundry. So you add laundry detergent to the shopping list and so on. No behavior happens in isolation. Each action becomes a cue that triggers the next behavior. Why is this so important? When it comes to building new habits, you can use the connectedness of behavior to your advantage. One of the best ways to build new habit is identifying a current habit you already do each day, then stack your new behavior on top of it. This is called habit stacking. Next time when you wanted to build a new habit, don't be vague about it with yourself. Pick a task that you do every day and attach this new habit to it. Just like reading at least 10 pages of a book right after you finish your dinner, or clean your refrigerator after you come back from grocery store. It will make a place for new things, and next time you won't end up buying the same things that were lying in the fridge already. To make it even effective, try attaching your toughest habits to be implemented with the most rewarding habit that you already have. For example, You like watching your favorite show on TV. So once you watch it, you will have to go to and do your laundry. You love playing guitar. So once you practice for 30 minutes, you will go for a walk or take the garbage out of your room. This way, it will be easy to build new habits as you're stacking them with existing and rewarding habits. You will succeed in building these new habits. Remember, consistency is the key, and frequency of the task performed is the secret of habit building. Remember to stick to your routine and not to break the chain for more than 2 days. You can take breaks or even you can rest for a while, but you have to be consistent and you have to attach this to rewarding habits to make this new habit stick forever. I hope this is helpful and thank you so much for watching. Kindly let us know what you wanted to hear in the next video. Thank you.